Zdravo prijatelji moji, srećna nova godina. We kill 2020. We are now in 2021, 2021. Onda danas hoću da jedem nešto u Srbiji. Serbian food. Why? Because yesterday was a great night here with my friends. Super, nos pusimos bien. Pero I want to kill the hangover with Serbian food, so I'm gonna show you Serbian experience in this like a salash, like a restaurant, but it's so cozy, and I hope that you're gonna like it, the place and the food, of course. If you are in Mexico, si estás en México, vamos a ir a comer comida serbia en este momento. Y a mí me encanta lo que es el Cevapi, me encanta lo que es la piesca pizza, y les voy a mostrar. Hoy tengo antojo de Cevapi. I have wish to eat Cevapi with Kajmak, and you will see how beautiful it is. And y tú vas a ver qué delicioso es esta comida serbia. Vamos, brate moj. Ovo se zove Etno Restaurant sa vašu dušu, DMD. Jelovnik. Dobrodošli. Dobrodošli in Serbian means welcome. Sa vašu dušu, if I understand good, is for your soul. Well, and those are the prices in dinars. And this is rare because it's one of the first time that I go to somewhere, some local restaurant, and they have like the lyrics, the letters in Latinico. Almost always is in Cyrillica. That is from National Serbian way to write. Vidi? Chorba is sopa. Sap. And this is my favorite, mi ensalada favorita. It has tomato, krastavats, cheese, and onion, and it's really delicious. I love it. Something rare here is that you can smoke in closed places. And you know, guys, the places here is very good because it's like you are home. This is like old home or old stuff here in Serbia. It's amazing, it's beautiful. Look at that. Look these guys. This is Cevapi, and this is a kind of cream that the name is Kajmak. It's amazing. Look that. And here you have the pomfret, French fry, some fries. And this is the Kajmak, like a cream with the Cevapi. This. It's like a cheese, but it's better than cheese and everything. For this, you just paid here in Serbia $4. Oh wow! What my god! Sad vašu dušu, dobro je. Onda prijedno, brate moj, uživaj, to je život. And you know what? The bread here in Serbia is delicious. This is lepinja. And you can do everything this with the bread and with meat and everything that you can put inside, you know. It's delicious, amazing. Even of course I miss tortillas, but when they have lepinja, I prefer to eat with lepinja than with tortillas, the flour tortillas. Delicious, delicious. Well, guys, I almost ate everything, and I noticed, you know what I noticed? It was just a half portion. 5 Cevaps was with a half of portion, almost $4. Amazing, delicioso, no hay nada. O sea, and this ambient, I guess I don't want to fail, but if I fail, you can comment to me, motherfucker Jorge, you're saying ground information. Is from Salash is Vojvodina, o sea, from the north of Serbia. The north of Serbia is Vojvodina, and this is the style of the places. I'm almost eating everything. Look. Delicious. Listo. I'm so happy here. And I think that they will come back here to this restaurant. No, restaurant Sabachu Dushu. Dobroje. So, my friends, after $6 of food, I can't walk, I can't even think, because I am done, I'm wasted. Estoy hasta el gorro porque comí bastante, comí mucho. Muy rico, la verdad. Si de por sí me gusta el Cevapi, I love Cevapi as well. Now with the Kajmak and everything, you know, if you come to Serbia, you have to try that. You have to eat Cevapi with Kajmak, and you will feel the Balkan food, the Serbian food is really good. So guys, don't mess your time. Come to Serbia, visit this place, enjoy it as I enjoy it. Wow. Ciao.